Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we are looking at a paper from the Hugging Face Trending List, published on August 25, 2025, just 2 days ago. The striking idea is that models trained on data from many human experts can surpass every individual source by 3 mechanisms: skill denoising, skill selection, and skill generalization. The paper is titled A Taxonomy of Transcendence, and as we will see later, the implications for model training are quite significant. In short, the authors formalize transcendence, prove conditions for when it occurs, and validate the theory in a controlled knowledge graph testbed that reveals how data diversity enables these gains. On X, a commentator highlights transcendence as models exceeding individual experts by picking the right expert skill, reducing bias through denoising, and generalizing beyond training data. The post echoes the 3 modes and frames them as practical advantages. Engagement looks moderate, with roughly 140 likes and a dozen replies, suggesting solid interest without going viral. Alright, the previous segment laid out why selection needs a correlation between expertise and example likelihood. Figure 2 shows the synthetic knowledge graph that drives the experiments, with blue and orange edges marking facts known by 2 different experts. The left panel depicts entities and relations, while the right panel lists example 1 hop sentences and 2 hop queries. 2 hop items split into within expertise, where at least one expert knows both steps, and across expertise, which require composing facts from different experts, the crucial test for generalization. So the previous figure contrasted entities and example sentences. Figure 1 shows the 3 scenarios that drive transcendence: denoising, selection, and generalization. The left panel depicts unbiased experts that sample every fact uniformly, so averaging reduces random mistakes. The middle panel shows specialists that more often generate in-domain facts, which enables the model to pick the right skill. The right panel illustrates sparse overlap, where composing blue and orange 1 hop pieces supports 2 hop generalization beyond any single expert. Alright, the previous figure outlined the 3 pathways. Figure 3 shows accuracy versus sampling temperature for different numbers of experts, which tests the denoising story directly. The left panel with 1 expert stays near the expert's own coverage, but the middle and right panels climb sharply at low temperature when there are 10 or 100 experts. Greedy decoding concentrates on the majority answer, so with many uncorrelated errors, the model surpasses any single expert, while temperature 1 pushes accuracy back toward coverage. So the previous figure established selection gains, with many focused experts. Figure 6 presents 2 views of generalization across expertise. The left panel shows accuracy rising steadily as the number of within expertise 2 hop examples increases, while the right panel compares methods at full data. Standard training reaches about 0.34, data diversity nudges it to about 0.37, and chain of thought jumps to about 0.62. The dashed baselines, direct connection and relation majority, sit far lower, which underscores that true composition drives the gains. Okay, the previous figure compared methods for 2 hop generalization. Table 1 presents the 4 diversity levels used to phrase 1 hop paragraphs, which matters because varied wording can teach the model to abstract beyond any single template. Level 1 uses a single template, Level 2 rotates 4 templates, and Levels 3 and 4 use GPT-generated rewrites with low and high creativity. The right column illustrates how wording grows richer and less templated from Level 1 to Level 4. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. First, mixing many specialized or noisy experts can produce models that surpass any single source through denoising and selection. Second, genuine generalization emerges when training includes diverse, compositional signals and phrasing. The broader implication is data curation matters as much as scale. That is it for the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.